Hi everyone! Today we will be making my secret hair serum recipe. We will be needing aloe powder, glycerin, rose water, bay leaf hydrosol as well as pine hydrosol, some almond oil, cetyl alcohol, and finally a bit of vitamin E. Now this will be the bottle that will hold the end product. I will be cleaning it with some alcohol and putting it aside. This is the glass beaker that I'll be using. We will start off with 20 grams of almond oil. Almond oil will soften and strengthen your hair because it is rich in vitamin B7, which is biotin. Rose water, 22 grams. Rose petals are filled with vitamins that nourish the scalp and stimulates hair follicles. For the bay leaf hydrosol, we need 10 grams, which will help get rid of dandruff. Pine hydrosol is a natural cleanser, and we need 14 grams of that. Glycerin, 4 grams. This will help smoothen the texture of the serum. Five grams of cetyl alcohol to mix the water phase with the oil phase. And finally, half a gram of aloe powder. Now, aloe powder provides your hair with the needed nourishment and hydration. And finally, we're going to add 25 grams of distilled water. Now you can use normal water, but I don't like using calcified water in my hair. And we will put this mixture on a double boiler until all is melted. As you can see here, everything is melted together, and we can start with the hand mixer. So we can now fill the water bottle with the hair serum product and see what we have. I love the serum, I use it all the time. Now, I usually dilute it more for my hair because my hair is more straight. It needs less product. I usually dilute mine a bit more, like put maybe 50 grams of distilled water more. But if you have curly hair, I think you would love this serum as is. Now this is the final product and I hope you'll love it. You can see here the smooth texture. It won't build up on your scalp. It will be able to absorb everything and nourish it. You can see the mixture here. It is amazing. It smells amazing. Now for the recipe here, you can see the oil phase and the water phase. Thank you everybody for watching. Hope this helps. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Love you. Bye.